Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if it's your first time here, and if not, welcome back. My name is Ashley and today I have a diaper bag review for you, so let's just get right to it. So first of all, these bags were sent to me in exchange for a review, and as always, I am keeping it as honest as possible. I think that a lot of you might enjoy these because it is by the brand Miss Fong, and they have some other very popular bags, and they are on Amazon and super affordable. Or I mean, they're under 50 bucks, most of them, so they are affordable in comparison to higher end diaper bags. So they sent me the convertible diaper bag, and I got it here in the gray. It's kind of a stone gray. It's very pretty. It's faux leather and it has gold hardware. I know that everyone always asks, and yes, the zippers are very smooth. It has a ton of pockets and it can be used as a tote bag, a backpack, a messenger style, or a crossbody, and it does include the messenger strap, which is awesome. They also include, let me show you, the messenger strap, stroller straps, which is awesome, and a change pad. So really you have everything you need in this bag. Also, this bag is full of pockets, so if you want a bag that has a pocket for everything and you don't really want to add any pouches or things, you might love this because it has a ton of pockets. It's a little bit hard for me to show you. I will try and get a better angle. The lighting is just not great lately. It has 8 pockets on the inside. 2 of them are insulated, and then on the outside it has 6 pockets. So a bunch of pockets. And also it's super versatile because you can either wear it as a regular tote bag, backpack, all the ways. So it's awesome. Or you can just hang it from your stroller. If you are more of a stroller hanging kind of person, you can just add the clips and you're good to go. I will be giving this bag away. That's why it has some of the packaging still on it, because I really don't want to ruin it for anybody. It's nice sturdy material. And if you are interested in this bag, make sure you watch till the end so you can make sure you enter the giveaway. So now I'll just show you how it packs up, and as I go, I will show you all of the features and different pockets. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you all of the outside features first. This color is kind of like a nice stone gray. It's really pretty and it has nice gold hardware, and it has nice little details like on the zipper pulls. It does say Miss Fong. It's really cute. I love the extra attention to details. It is very classic. It has 2 front pockets that are zippered pockets, so even though they look like slip pockets, they are closed, so your things aren't going to be falling out. And they are both the same size. These aren't insulated or anything, they're just plain pockets. In this side I have my iPhone XS, and obviously you could fit more stuff in there because it does push out really great. In the pocket next to it I have a bunch of mommy stuff. I have a Tarte lip gloss, I have a Buxom lip gloss, a lip liner, I have a little mirror, and another lip gloss. Okay, it has 2 nice big bottle pockets. So as you can see, they're really nice and wide, and they aren't insulated. And in here I have my kids' Yeti cups. These are really nice and wide, and they do just slip in and out, no trouble at all. And on the other side I have my son's bottle. Okay, moving on, it has a nice zippered pocket up here. And it's really nice and big. As you can see, my hands completely go in there. And the only thing I have in there right now is my little Coach wallet. So this is the back of the bag where it has the seatbelt straps. You can unclip them from the bottom, tuck them in this pocket, or you can just wear it as a backpack. So yeah, that's the outside of this bag. Okay, so now for the inside of this bag. It has a nice long zipper, only 1 zipper pull, not a double zipper, and it has a ton of pockets. It has a nice zip pocket in the back, really nice and long. And in here I just keep a few things that I want to keep away from everybody else. I have a little pouch where I keep important documents and some loose cash just in case of an emergency. And I also have my AirPods in there. And then there are 2 pockets in the back. In this one I have the included change pad. In the pocket next to it I have 2 diapers in a size 4. I also had in that pocket some hand sanitizer. So that's it for this back portion. It also has a nice key leash where I have my keys. It has a little clasp so they're secure. You can always find them. This is the front of the bag, so it has a really nice size pocket. It zips closed. And I have a bunch of stuff in here. I have, this goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. So this is actually great for maybe snacks or also a change of clothes, cats. It's really nice and big. I have some extra headphones and a charging cable. And then I have another charging cable and my travel phone charger. There are two pockets here. This one is kind of an elasticated pocket. It has a black trim right there. And what I have is a itsy bitsy snack bag, and in here I have spare underwear for each of my kids who are potty trained. And I also have these little post-its for the automatic flushing toilets when we are out and about. And it has a nice zippered pocket right here. And I think that this is great as a little first aid section. I have some Dramamine for my daughter who gets car sick. I have a nail file, nail polish removers, nail clippers, Oogie Bear. I have a couple of Band-Aids, a flashlight, and just some extra strength anti-itch cream. Okay, and then in the middle, I have a ton of stuff, but it does have two side pockets that are also insulated. And if you remember, I did have the Yeti cups, and I was still able to use the side pockets. And here I have a toy for my daughter. This is a remote control. On the other side, I actually have one of these Medibuddy kits. It's empty now because we were out yesterday and my daughter ate them, and I forgot to refill this for the video. But this is a hard case and it fits in there perfectly. So if you wanted to put maybe snacks or your bottles on the inside, you could, because these are super nice and wide and also insulated. Okay, and that's it for all of the pockets. It has a bunch of pockets, and everything else is kind of in the inside. I have a cute little hat for my daughter. This is in a size 12 to 18 months, I think. Not sure. I have her little travel violet dog, her simple dimple, her fun keys, and in this itsy bitsy bag I have a bunch of snacks for my kids. I have food pouches and Sammy Jammies, lollipops, things to keep them happy when we are out. And then the last things in there are a wipe pouch that is full of wipes. I also have the stroller straps in there, which is awesome that they include that with the bag. And a little small set piece by Jujui that I think looks really cute with this. And I have my vlog camera in there. I carry this with me all the time now. So there you have it. Those are all of the features and how it packs according to my things or my needs. So if you have been eyeing this bag and wanted to see how it looks, how it packs, I hope this was helpful. I also do hope that the on the body kind of shots can help you visualize a little bit of the size. I am 5'2" and about 140 pounds, so that's how it looks on me. And yeah, if you are interested in winning this bag, I will say that I did pack it for this review, but I have not carried it or used it out. So I know that that kind of hinders on the review because I can't really tell you how it wears, but I really didn't want to use this and then give it away used. But it is kind of lightweight. It is faux leather and it's kind of thick, so it does have some weight to it. It depends on what you pack in it. It does feel nice and comfy on my arm and as a backpack, but I know that some people don't like the seatbelt material straps. I don't mind it, but you know, just be aware that it is seatbelt material as a backpack. But these are nice and thick, so they will, you know, alleviate a little bit of the weight. So yeah, if you're interested in winning this bag, all you have to do is comment in the comment section letting me know that you are entering and give me a follow on Instagram. The rules will be in the description box below, so make sure you read through those first. And that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it and found this useful. If you did, show me with a thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber and like these type of videos, make sure you click the subscribe button before you go. And if you already have, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.